I'm Elizabeth Wiseman, and I'm a fashion and commercial photographer, and these are 3 lighting tips for better model testing. Number 1, keep it simple. The industry standard for studio lighting for model tests is 1 light. Don't try to overcomplicate it, don't try to make it something that you're showing off for. It's all about beauty for the model, and 1 light can really accomplish that. Or natural light. Everyone loves natural light. This isn't something that is looked down upon, it's something that is very flattering, and it is a great way to focus on your model's beauty and not on your technicals. Number 2, light for the face. For models, the beauty of the face is what sells them. So as a photographer, I need to prioritize that. I'm not doing commercial photography. It doesn't have to be perfect from head to toe. So if you have something that happens like a little fall off on the legs, I use my other tools like wardrobe or posing to fix that and really focus on that beauty of my model. Number 3, move your lights, don't retouch. I don't like to spend a lot of my time in post. So what I'll do is take a look at my shot, and even if my instincts are telling me, oh, that's something small, I can fix it in post, I will prioritize moving my lights every time before spending that extra time behind the computer. Hopefully you can use these 3 tips to make your model testing better and work cleaner and faster.